Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're making the HelloFresh meal number 4 recipe, which is the spicy creamy Cajun chicken pasta. Now for this recipe you'll be needing your penny pasta, 1 garlic clove, diced chicken, Cajun spice mix, tomato passata, chicken stock paste, grated hard Italian style cheese, and some creme fraiche. All of these ingredients came in the HelloFresh package. I'll just take you to the kitchen where we'll make this recipe. So first thing you want to do is to bring a large saucepan of water to the boil with half teaspoon of salt. Now once the water is boiled, you go in with your penny and bring back to boil. Cook until tender, and that will take you about 12 minutes. Once it's cooked, you drain in a colander and pour back into the pan. Drizzle with some oil and stir through to stop it from sticking together. While your penny is cooking, you go ahead, peel and grate your garlic, or you can use a garlic press if that's easier. Pop your pan on the fire. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large frying pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, you go in and add your diced chicken. You season with some salt and pepper and fry until golden brown on the outside. This could take you about 5 to 6 minutes. Next, you add your garlic and Cajun spice mix into the pan. Stir frequently for about 1 minute. Then you go in with your passata, chicken stock paste, and water for the sauce. You add in about 100 ml of water. Bring to boil. Lower the heat. Simmer, stirring occasionally until thickened, and this can take you between 5 to 6 minutes. Once the sauce has thickened, you want to stir through and then add half the grated hard-style Italian cheese, followed by the creme fraiche. You bring to a boil, stirring your sauce, and then you remove from heat. Ensure that your chicken is properly cooked, and that means it is no longer pink in the middle. Taste. At this point, you want to taste and season with salt and pepper if needed. Add to the creamy sauce and mix well to combine. Reheat until piping hot if needed. I didn't need to reheat. Now you share your creamy Cajun chicken pasta between your bowls and sprinkle over the remaining cheese to finish. Thanks guys for watching. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Bye.